Hi, foofies. Foofers. There we go. Are you pogoing me? He is pogoing me. Actually, they're pogoing each other. So this is my new name for the doggies. Where are you? Oh. Oh my God. Once they start doing this, I get dizzy because they go all around. Hey, Bubbas. Hi. Hi. Hello. Romeo, go. Go, honey, go. Sally. Sally and... hello, guys. Hey, sweetie. Hoi. Hoi. You jealous? I know you're... Ah! No. Hey! Don't do that. Okay. Yeah, he tends to, he snaps. He's like a snapping turtle. He's a pogo snapping turtle. Sally, he gets so jealous. Like when I'm caressing poor Kip or the tedder, he's all over the place. You need to be... No. Sit. Good boy. Thank you. Sit down. Guys, both of you sit. Yeah? Thank you. Now, can I caress Teddy? Or... Where's Teddy, though? No. Teddy, come. Oh, they won't let me do it. All right, fine. Listen, let's just go, okay? There's no point. Come on, let's go. Ella. Romeo, go. Down by the riverside. The gorgeous, gorgeous river. I think it's our last... Look at that. What are you doing? How cute. It may be the last time you're seeing the leaves, actually, because if it snows and we continue having snow, it's going to be white for a couple of months. Maybe. One never knows, though, of course. Hey, puppies. Puppies. Whoops. There we go. Gorgeous. I love this river. Baby Boo, where are you? There he is. There you are. No jealousy. Oh, no. No. He's waiting. No. No. Good boy.